Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is setting up a reverse proxy on Nginx server. So we'll discuss how we can set up a reverse proxy on Nginx server, how it is important for application that are created in Node and Python, which works on different ports, and what is basically reverse proxy. So let us start the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button so that you get important updates whenever a new video is uploaded on the channel. So proxy is very important whenever we want to have our Nginx server working as a load balancer. If we want to show the data from some different website, if we particularly in case of Python and Node, in which we have our APIs that are working on different ports. So in that case, when we want to apply this SSL and everything, so reverse proxying is very important, where we just give the path, and from that particular path we have our APIs that are running. So you can see it seamlessly show content from different websites. Not when we say different website, I mean if there are 2-3 websites, so we can have different proxy servers that will be calling. So the simple thing is, like just like in Nginx we have all different types of variables. We have this location where we say that whenever a request for a particular path is coming, it should give the data from this particular website. You can also, this may be your Node application which is running on a particular port. It may be your Python application that is running on a port. So that is very helpful in case of load balancing also. If you have number of servers that are working, or number of content servers from where you want to pass the content to the front end. So it's very simple. You just need to write proxy pass, and then you need to write the path from where the content will be loaded. This is simple proxy pass. Second part is where you can also set some headers. What is host? Then you can also set time. So all this type of headers in which, like what is its live time, how much time it should stay, then what is the connection timeout. So all those things, not only you can give the proxy pass the address from where the content needs to be shown, you can do the load balancing stuff, and you can also give all the headers. So this is very important. Whoever are going to deploy their application, and whosoever people who are working in Python and Node. So since those applications normally works on different ports, so it's very simple to deploy on Nginx server. So on the same Nginx server, you will have your front end which is working on the root path, and you will have your APIs that will be working on different ports, but on different ports, and they will be getting the data using proxy pass. So this is all about a very important concept of Nginx, where you can set up the reverse proxy. So friends, this was all about Nginx reverse proxy setup. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching this video.